to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Meena and this is my YouTube channel. I love to make fashion, beauty, lifestyle kind of video, and in this video it's going to be my night skincare routine. Okay, usually I do to myself morning and night skincare routine, and this video is going to be full of my night skincare routine, what I do to myself and also for my hair. So yes guys, I hope it's going to be helpful for you. Double cleansing is a game changer in skincare. It involves a two-step process. It removes makeup, sunscreen, and impurities, and also reducing the risk of clogged pores and breakdowns. By double cleansing, you are also helping your skin absorb products more effectively, making your anti skincare routine more efficient. As part of my night skincare routine, I prioritize double cleansing with Garnier Micellar Water, a product I have loved for over 3 years. And second step, follow with the face wash. And since I have a combination skin, I prefer a gel times cleanser usually. I have recently started using this one and it's been gentle and smoothing on my skin. After scrubbing overall my face, I just wash my face in 30 to 40 seconds. Okay, I apply a face mask twice a week at night using natural ingredients like a gram flour and orange peel powder and mixed with the water to create a paste. This helps reduce excess oil and leaves my skin feels softer after use. After letting it set for 10 to 15 minutes, I gently scrub with a clean sponge and rinse it with water. As I follow up with the rose water, which is alcohol free and gentle on the skin, after my DIY face mask, it helps hydrate and smooth my skin instantly. And you can also check out the description for all my favorite skin products. If you're following me for a really long time, definitely you know how much I love this only one product. After letting my skin air dry for 2 to 3 minutes, I follow up with the moisturizer. I have been a fan of aloe vera for a long time and I'm also trying Et Mama, a new brand. Since I have combination skin, I prefer gel based products. These work well for my skin type. And of course, you can follow with the body care as well with this only one product. For lip care, I keep it simple. This lip balm keep my lips soft and nourished. Before bed, I also take care of my hair by applying a serum to prevent split ends and tying it up to avoid tangles. These simple steps take minimal time and complete my night skincare routine. I believe in choosing products that work for me and less is more approach to skincare and as well as hair care. Yes, guys, these are the things I follow in my night skincare routine. And yes, guys, without a face mask, it don't take more than 15 minutes to follow it in your night skincare routine. So yes, guys, try to follow with your night skincare routine what suits for your skin. It's very important. And yes, these are the things I just really want to share what I do to myself in my night skincare routine. Yes, I hope you like it, and I hope this is useful for you. And yes guys, if you like this kind of videos, like and do subscribe, follow for more. So yes guys, these are the things I follow in my night skincare routine. And yes guys, I hope this is helpful for you. And if you like to watch my day skincare routine, you can watch my previous video as well. And yes, it's going to be end of the video today. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on coming Sunday with a new YouTube video. Take care. Bye bye.